Romeo Oscar Echo Super. Ready for departure in sequence at runway 19. Remaining in the pattern. Contacting Cape Town approach on 119.7. Victor Tango Alpha Lima X-Ray. Line up and wait runway 19. Romeo Oscar Echo Super. Wilco, Springbok 031. Qantas 294 Super, ready for departure at runway 19, departing south.
Link 926, request permission to cross runway 16.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 19, Romeo Oscar Echo Super. Holding short runway 19, Qantas 294 Super. Qatari 001 Super, inbound on the ILS runway 19.